guys. It's day 324 of the Feathered Quest, and today's bird is the Northern Cardinal. Northern Cardinals were named for the bright red robes of Roman Catholic cardinals. And yes, a flock of them can apparently be called a conclave. Let's go find that daily feather. Well, thanks for coming along with me today, guys. Remember, you are loved, and the world is full of wonder. So, did we find our bird of the day?